is saying to Andrew Holness, we need you. Sam Sharp Square, can I ask you one question tonight? What time is it, Sam Sharp Square? What time is it, Sam Sharp Square? Member of Parliament for West Central, St. Andrew. Prime Minister 1 term. Prime Minister 2 terms. Prime Minister 3 terms. Andrew Michael Holness.
Andrew Holness, they are the team well strong. JLP, me say the thing up. From road work to work, we not ease up, prosperity around. The whole place turn up. Andrew in our place, tax cut with your support. Everything good, yeah, the money just a float. Get on, look, great, this is nice quote. Believe that yourself, people, and now.
Sam Sharp Square!
If we not progress, it up for sure. A road up, we fix up.
Sam Sharp Square!
Homie want roof before this time blow.
Rise to the occasion. Oh. Because I'm solid as a rock, they just can't stop me now.
They can't keep a good man down.
Sam Sharp Square, you're looking good. Don't worry. 1 p.m. You're looking good, Sam Sharp Square. I want to thank all of you for coming out this evening. I have been around the western parishes, and I can tell you, the momentum is not only with the Jamaica Labour Party, the momentum is increasing daily for the Jamaica Labour Party. You look good.